Namaskar. Welcome, dear viewers, to this episode. When they called me, I thought I would have to demolish some big wall, but there is no need for that. The snake is right here in a small hole. I think it is stuck there as there is no space to go further inside. It looks like a snake that is around 10 months old. It is an Indian spectacled cobra. Our viewers can see it. Moreover, the people here are more eager to film this on their mobile phones. Let me break open this burrow and take out this snake guest. Could you get me a hoe? See here, it is a small cobra, not an aged one. I think there is a rat in its stomach. That may be why it was resting here. Now here it goes. This is a common pathway used by people. Still, it is not dangerous since no one would go and poke their hand into the burrow. However, if someone leans against the burrow and stands there, there is a possibility of getting bitten. Last year in Kerala, more than 30 people who were hanging around rock outcroppings or walls made of mud or rock got bitten by snakes. The Indian cobra's mating season roughly starts in January and ends in April. Egg laying mainly happens between April and July. Hatching occurs about 2 months later, typically from June to September. Timing can vary by region, climate, and species. In some cases, hatchlings may appear earlier or later. Let us make a guess about its age. The snake should be around 10 months old. This is a female snake and it is about to shed its skin. That is why its skin looks dull. Anyway, there is prey in its stomach but not a big one. Most probably a frog. Looking at its stomach, I can say that this snake caught, killed and swallowed the frog this morning and then went to rest inside the burrow. The food is yet to digest. If it had digested, the snake would have crawled away from this burrow. Our viewers have seen many cobras of this size through our episodes, so there is no need for further explanation. Let us get a bottle from a nearby house. After bottling the snake, our team will move on to the next location. Many rescue jobs are pending today. Over the past 2 days, there were around 15 calls from Kottayam and Pathanamthitta. The last call was from Omalur near Pathanamthitta at 2:30 a.m. The team reached there this morning and the first job of the day was to take out a dead snake from a well. When I reached the spot, I saw that the snake had died a few days ago. I did not go down into the well. Instead, I asked the people nearby to draw it out using a bucket. So, this is the first real rescue of the day. Hope you liked this guest. Before bottling the snake, let me show it to the onlookers here. Let's bottle it. There is food in its stomach. By the way, there is an unexpected sight here. Have you ever been stung by a honeybee? I have been stung many times, but nothing harmful happened to me. Now see here, in the burrow next to this one, there is a honeybee hive, but there is no honey inside. location is in Thiruvananthapuram district itself. The house owner said that the snake he spotted had crawled into this pile of wooden planks. Let me see if it is still there. We also need to identify the species. It is nothing but a rat snake. Our viewers have seen this species many times in our episodes. So without wasting time, let me snap it up. What he said was right. It is a non-venomous snake. The snake may be more than 2 years old. It is a female rat snake. It must have come here in search of food. By smelling the urine or droppings of mice, it can sense their presence. It must have come here expecting to find one, but in vain. Only the housewife was at home and this big rat snake must have scared her out of her wits. This is a female rat snake more than 5 feet in length. Since it is non-venomous and non-harmful, it is better to release it somewhere nearby. As it is commonly found here, with the permission of the landowner, I can release it into a nearby water canal. Yes, the house owner has given consent. Most people in Kerala aren't afraid of rat snakes. Now we are at the next location. Usually when I get calls from the Tenvala area, the first thing that comes to my mind is a king cobra. But here it is a small snake. In this area we usually get cobras 5 times as big as this. Many people have been waiting outside to see the snake and the rescue. They have filmed most parts of it. I think they have even started live streaming it on their Facebook pages. But one hurdle is that there is no proper mobile network coverage in this area. Now let me move out with this snake. Though it took time for me to reach this spot, it took virtually no time to catch it. Soon after opening the door, I picked it up. Let us not waste time. It is already night. The people here have kept the sack ready, so let us secure the snake in it and move on to the next location. Many calls are still waiting and I have to attend them. So let me first bundle it into the sack and bid adieu to the people here.